Find any plug near you right now. Phone charger, lamp, anything. Look closely at the metal prongs, the part that goes into the wall. See those tiny holes punched straight through the metal? Small, perfectly round, easy to miss. You have held this object in your hand thousands of times. You have plugged it in and unplugged it more times than you could ever count. And there's a very good chance you have never once asked what those holes are for. Here's the twist. They're not for one reason, they're for three, and at least one of them is going to surprise you. Welcome to Why Is That? The most important reason is also the simplest. Inside every wall socket, behind the slots where the prongs go, there are small spring-loaded metal clips. When you push a plug in, those clips squeeze against the prongs to create the electrical connection. But spring clips on their own have a problem. Over time, through vibration, through the weight of a cord pulling slightly, through someone bumping into it, a plug can gradually work itself loose. Loose connections are bad. They cause arcing, overheating, and in worst cases, fires. The hole solves this. Many sockets have a small raised bump or detent on the inside of those spring clips. When the plug is pushed all the way in, that bump clicks into the hole on the prong, like a tiny mechanical lock. The plug doesn't just sit in the socket, it's held there, physically, mechanically. That faint click you sometimes feel when a plug seats properly, that's the hole doing its job. Here's the one nobody thinks about: economics. Plug prongs are typically made of brass, sometimes plated with nickel. Brass isn't expensive compared to gold or copper, but when you're manufacturing billions of plugs every single year for a global market, every gram of metal adds up. Punching a hole through each prong removes a small amount of material. Multiplied across billions of units, that's a genuinely significant reduction in raw material cost over time. It's such a small detail that almost nobody notices it, but at the scale of global manufacturing, that tiny hole represents real, measurable savings, efficiency hidden inside a feature that looks purely functional. And now the one that surprises almost everyone. In some plug designs, particularly in commercial and industrial settings, those holes serve a third purpose entirely: security. A small padlock or a specially designed plastic locking tab can be threaded directly through the holes in the prongs while the plug sits inside the socket. Once locked, the plug physically cannot be removed. This is used in places where unplugging something would be dangerous or costly: medical equipment that must stay powered, servers that can't lose connection, machinery that someone might accidentally or deliberately switch off. A feature that looks like a tiny manufacturing afterthought can, in the right setting, become a literal anti-theft and anti-tamper device. The same 2mm hole that helps your phone charger sit snugly in a wall socket can, in another context, keep a hospital ventilator connected to power no matter what. Three completely different functions: mechanical retention, manufacturing economics, security locking, all hidden inside two tiny holes that most people have looked directly at thousands of times without ever truly seeing. This is how good engineering actually works. The best ideas aren't always the biggest ones. Sometimes they're a hole 2mm wide doing three jobs at once, quietly, invisibly, in every plug, in every wall, in every home on Earth. Go look at your charger again. You'll never see it the same way. If this made you look at something differently, hit like and share this with someone who's held 1,000 plugs and never noticed the holes. Subscribe to Why Is That? Because the smallest details always hide the best stories. See you in the next one.